There's 10 egg rolls. You got 10 minutes. Whoever eats the fastest, when you're done, raise your hands. Okay, there are no ties. If there's a tie, they should split the money, and the contest prize is $100. Okay. Our egg rolls are like it's famous in Jackson. Okay. They're made with 16 ingredients. The biggest egg roll in the state of Tennessee. Bigger. All right. So we're about to start to get your water and get your peppers. Get the peppers. Oh, wait, all right. Okay. Put it in there. All right, guys. It's about to start. Let me get this angle here. Excuse me. Let me take this angle here. Oh yeah. Gonna be a lot better right there. Okay, there you go. All right. We're about to start. When I say start, press start. Okay. You got 10 minutes. Whoever eats the fastest win. Okay, and raise your hands up. On your mark. Get set. Go. Oh man. This is hilarious, dude. Oh my god. I might do this. I might make this an annual thing. Just to let you know, those 60 egg rolls is $360 $300 $80. There's 60 a piece.